Hello friends, I am Ingle from Ingle, and in today's video we are going to see how to convert a py file or the Python file to .exe file. Okay, means the .py file to .exe means executable file. Like suppose you made a program, you wrote a program, but that is in .txt format. Suppose if you write it in Notepad, then it will be in .txt, or if you convert it into .py also, .py. But also suppose if you want to, if you made any GUI application with the help of tkinter, then if you want to give it to your friend, then you will have to make its exe file and then you can give it to your friend. Okay, so to make that exe file we are going to see today how we can make that. So for that, uh, first of all I will make a folder where we will write a program in Notepad. Okay, and then that file we will convert into exe. So I am going to make new folder here. Okay, folder, suppose py 2, py means py 2. I just py 2 exe. Okay, so I made this folder. Inside this we are going to make a txt file and write a program there. Okay, inside this we are going to make a txt or .py file and write the program there. But before that, before writing the program, I would like to you will have to open the PowerShell window in this folder. So to open the PowerShell window in a particular folder, what you do is open that folder and just press shift on your shift on your keyboard and right click here on any empty area, and then you will see here open PowerShell window here. If without shift you will right click, then you will not see this. See, I am right clicking without shift. You can see nothing is there. PowerShell option is not there. But if I press shift and right click here, you will see open PowerShell window here. Okay, so I will just open PowerShell window here. Okay, done. Now I am just to adjust the size, you can just press Ctrl and then scroll up or down. Okay, to make it bigger or smaller. Okay, now here what we are going to do to make any file as exe, you will need to install first of all a module called PyInstaller. Okay, using pip. I hope you know what is pip we use for installing any Python module. Okay, so what you have to do to install that is its name is PyInstaller. So you just type pip install PyInstaller. Okay, and just press enter. So it will take time. Okay, it's saying requirement already satisfies. Okay, I have already installed this PyInstaller module. Okay, so but if you haven't installed, then please install it. This is very important. Okay, then now we are going to make a program. Just wait. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I will just right click here and make a new txt file, text document, and I will just name it. We are going to make a simple program, but the for loop and all will be there. Okay, but it will be simple only. Okay, I am going to tell you what we are going to do. Just this by mistake number l.txt it happened. Okay, that's done. Now I am going to open this thing. Okay, and I am going to tell you what program we are going to make. We are going to make that first of all it should ask means it should ask the user the input. Okay, any integer which should ask the user, okay, in input. And suppose if we type 10, then till 10 it should print numbers. Okay, thoroughly it should print numbers in one line from 1 to 10. Okay, or 1 to any number that the user have typed there in input. Okay, I hope you understood what we have to do here. So what I'm going to do is uh, For that, so first of all we need to make an input. Suppose n means number, okay, equals to int input we need, okay, input, and then inside this we just have to type, suppose like let's say type enter the last uh, number, okay, enter the last number, okay, done. After this what we are going to do is, okay, so after this what we are going to do, I just made an input here, okay, and then what we are going to do, we are going to print it. But before printing, what we want that it should, what it should like it should print the numbers thoroughly, okay, and keep printing until it prints the last number, okay, keep printing the numbers until it prints the last number, means the inputted number, okay, the type number by the user. So for that we will use for loop. So we can type for I in range, and then in bracket we need to type for I in range 1, means from 1 to uh, n plus 1. N plus 1 means till the number, means this range, what this range does is that suppose if you want to print the number from 1 to 10, then you will have to type 10 plus 1 here, okay, 10 plus 1. Why? Because it prints this range, what it does is the first number that you entered here in the first place, and then the second number that you entered here, uh, one number so the predecessor till predecessor of that number, it will print it, okay. I hope you know what is successor, predecessor, okay. A successor means plus one number, and a predecessor means minus one number, means whatever number you will type here, means whatever number you will type here, from that number to whatever number you will type here, the predecessor of this number, it will print, okay, this range. I hope you are understanding what I am saying, okay. So that's why we have to do n plus 1, so that it can print till n plus 1's predecessor. Suppose if you type 10 here in input, then n plus 1 means 10 plus 1 equals to 11, so it will print predecessor of 11, means 10 only, okay. So that's how we are going to do. And then inside this we are going to type print, and then n we are going to print here, okay, no, sorry, not n, I we are going to print here, okay. And just to give space, if we will not give space no between the numbers, then it will print something like this. See, it will print something like this. Suppose from 1 to 10 if we did, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, like this it will print. But what we want 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, something like this we want, no, clean. From that what will happen, it will look clean. So for that what you have to do, you just type end, okay. End means in the end of each number, then you have to give equals to, and then in this semicolon, sorry, this inverted commas, whatever you will type at the end of each number, it will show that only. Like suppose comma and space if we will type, then at the end of that number it will show comma and space, okay. Or otherwise only space if you type, then it will show, if you type comma and space, then it will show something like this, 1 2 3 4, something like this. And if we do like this, oh sorry, like this if you do, then it will print 1 2 3 4, like that, something, okay. So we are going to do like this only, and that's it, we are done with our program, okay. So what it will do, whenever the user will enter here the number like 10, then it will do it 10 plus 1 means 11, and then from 1 to 11, sorry, 1 to predecessor of that number, the range will do this, okay. From 1 to predecessor of 11, or that number, that whatever user has input, that number, from 1 to predecessor of that number, it will print, okay. And at the end of each number, or between two numbers we can say, it will print space. Or if you want, then you can do like this also, like this, sorry, like this, okay. So we are done with our program. I'll just save it. I hope it works, okay. And then I'm just going to do this, open this, okay. One more thing I wanted to tell you, to run this program, no, you can just open the PowerShell window here and you can just type Python, and then if you will type num, no, then if you will type num and then if you press tab, then it will automatically understand that user is trying to say number.txt, so it will do this. And if you press enter, then it will ask us to enter the last number. Suppose we are going to enter 10 only. Okay, then you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. As I told, between each number it shows space. See, space is there, and till 10 it printed. But as I told you, range printed, range prints the predecessor of the number that we have given, the last number. It prints the predecessor of the last number. Okay, so if you will type 10 here, it will, for loop will automatically add 1 to 10, means 10 plus 1 11, and then range will print 11 minus 1, that is 10 only. Okay, so this is how, if you will type here 10, then it will print numbers till 10. Okay, so now this is our program. Our program is completely ready now. Now it's time to make exe. Now see, to make exe, what you do is you just type py installer and then the number.txt, or name of your program, number.txt. Okay, name of your program, number.txt. Okay, and as you press enter here, you will see that it will start making exe. Okay, just have to wait for some time. Obviously it will take time. Okay, as complicated the program is, that much it will take time. The more complicated the program is, the more it will take time. Okay, so see, it made 2 folders here, dist and build, but, and one more file it made, spec file. Okay, about this I will tell you later in the video. So we have to wait here, okay, till it makes the exe file. So here it is giving some info also. Okay, info like see here it is giving some information and some warnings also. Here it is giving, so we should not ignore these warnings. Okay, because of some reasons only it is giving. Okay, so it's about to finish. It is saying completed successfully here. Here it was showing. See. Okay. Okay, done. So our exe file is done now. Okay, we have made the exe file. So or we have made the exe file now. Okay, this is, it's saying completed successfully. And now if you will see, it made 3 files. Before there was only one file, number.txt, but now it made 3 files. First is build, second one is dist folder, these two are folders, and another is file number.spec file. Okay, this is a spec file. Now to see the exe you will get in this dist folder. Just go inside the dist folder. You will see another folder named as, and that folder will be named same as this your file. Okay, Python file or txt file. Okay, so inside this dist you will find the folder named with your file, and then inside that folder you will find your files. You can see here, inside this folder you will find many files, but among these files, your main file which you will see here is this one, numbers.exe. Okay, so when I run it from here, no, see, if I will run it from here directly, then it will open it. But when I type any number, so if I like suppose 10, if I type, and as I press enter, as soon as it prints, it closes. Okay, again I am going to show you. See, like as I press 10 and as I press enter, so just after printing 10, you must have noticed that it closes. Okay, So this is see, so let's try entering a long number. Okay, like something like this. Okay, let's try entering a large number, long number. Okay, and as I press enter, you can see, okay, it's just going on and going on. See, this pattern is also forming. I don't know why. If we keep focusing on this, we will feel like illusion or something. Okay, so this will never end, I think. Okay, because the number that we have typed here, no, it's very, 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 very long. Okay, so this is not going to end, I think. Okay, until this night. So so let's close it because I don't think it is not. So see, the computer is calculating very fast, but still it's not finishing. You can see. Okay, so I'm just going to close this. Okay, it was fun, but I just did it. Okay, so now here our exe file is ready. But here, as we can see, that whenever we enter the last number, as soon as it prints the last number, it closes. Okay, so solution of that problem is there, but since the video is being too long, so I'm not going to tell you the solution in this video. I'm going to make a next part of this. So please watch that video and then you will see the solution of that problem. Okay, so that was it for this video. If you like this video and if this was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more such videos. And thank you.